Samantala, inihayag ng Philippine Coast Guard o PCG na simula kahapon February 3, ilalagay na nila sa search and retrieval mode ang MBCA Amehara. Ito'y matapos matukoy na mababa na ang posibilidad na makakita pa ng mga buhay na pasahero matapos ang 16 na araw ng tuloy-tuloy na search and rescue operations. Sa press conference sa CGDSEM headquarters, sinabi ni Commodore Philip Sorian na ang retrieval operations ay magpo-focus na lang sa pagkuha ng debris at pag-rescue ng mga nawawalang pasahero at crew. Mula sa 12 passengers at 4 crew members, na-recover na ang 6 na katawan at may isang survivor habang siya pa ang nananatiling nawawala.
There is an adjustments to operational tempo. So if however right now meron tayong 5 vessels na performing search and rescue operations, during search and retrieval, there is a possibility to reduce SAR efforts. Of course, we need also to consider our resources because it's very parang napaka-resource, very resource-induced conducting search and rescue operations.